Welcome to this tutorial on get location, one of the fundamental PowerShell cmdlets for navigating the file system. Get location is your tool for finding your current directory in PowerShell. Think of it as your compass in the PowerShell environment, always telling you exactly where you are in the file system hierarchy. Get location is a PowerShell cmdlet that displays your current working directory. The current working directory is the folder where PowerShell commands execute by default. When you run commands that reference files or folders without specifying a full path, PowerShell looks in your current working directory. Understanding where you are in the file system is crucial for effective PowerShell navigation and file management. The syntax for get location is incredibly simple. You just type get location and press enter. That's it. No parameters are required for basic usage. PowerShell also provides convenient aliases to save you typing time. You can use GL, which is short for get location, or PWD, which stands for print working directory. The PWD alias comes from Unix and Linux systems, making PowerShell familiar to users from those environments. Let's look at what happens when you run get location. When you execute the command from a user directory, PowerShell returns a formatted output with two sections. First, you see a header labeled path, followed by a line of dashes for visual separation. Below that, you see the actual path, such as c:\users\John. This output clearly shows you're currently in the John user directory on the C drive. Get location serves several important purposes in your PowerShell workflow. First, you can verify your location before running commands to ensure you're in the correct directory. Second, you can store the current path in a variable for later use in your scripts. Third, you can use it as a reference point to build relative paths from your current working directory. Finally, it's invaluable for debugging when you need to troubleshoot path-related issues in your PowerShell scripts. Knowing where you are helps prevent errors and makes your scripting more reliable. Let's review the essential points. Get location shows your current working directory in PowerShell. You can save time by using the aliases PWD or GL instead of typing the full cmdlet name. This command is essential for effective navigation and path management in PowerShell. Mastering get location is your first step toward confident file system navigation. Practice using it regularly, and it will become second nature in your PowerShell journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.